Whoa!
What's up?
So, there's a fight going on outside.
Oh, 30 seconds and I'll be right there.
Hold on, Jason. Full gear! Killed one. No, don't TP him, don't TP him, I got it.
Oh,
whoa. I syringed him twice, I don't even need to. Hey, buddy. Aha, no way. Thanks for the full gear.
someone just sounded off the shotgun near me.
Whoa, someone in a fucking... There's a fucking ninja in a bush that started hitting me over the head with a sword. He did more damage to the fucking... He did more damage to me than the guy with that gun did. Oh, bro, I can't find this guy's body.
It just says in chat, Hotfire has 63 health left.
I need research. Ow, my face!
What was that about not TPing home?
No, we're good. Killed him.
Oh, heck, he's the guy you killed in the rocks.
Yeah, well, I just killed him up close and personal too. No, don't TP him. I killed them all. Pretty fucking guys. Pretty sure they weren't even friends with each other. They just all were popping out of the bush one at a time. And I have a pump shotgun now. That's fun. Okay. Let me just let me just put this shit away. Sorry for the inconvenience. Jing just
Naked on the move down there with the Savage Knights.
I ignored
I'm
him.
so tempted to shoot him. Oh, shooting my
Is this airdrop turning?
Yes, it is. Wow. So you're still going in straight lines?
Oh, look, there's another one on the right. I just saw it like clipping now. When was that a new thing? Why?
Must be.
Is it a mod? What's going on? Wait, why is it like circling its airdrop?
Probably to advertise where it is, maybe? I don't know.
There's a naked on here from where I think he just looked at me and went back in. Oh.
Fuck. Ow! Someone shot me, what the fuck?
If this thing's actually gonna drop... Yo, what the fuck are you doing? Stop? Really? Really?
10 damage to me.
It just did 50.
10 damage.
It did 50 to my helmets.
What? How is that possible?
That was the biggest bullshit I've ever seen. If this thing's actually gonna drop excessive airdrops, there should be plenty of people.
Where you go to Airfield?
Yeah, I guess
Just
so.
there.
I guess we just go there.
No, square up, pig! What I thought.
Oh, square up, I didn't notice I heard those shots. I just want to blow someone up. I want there to be like a group of like 3 or something. Just standing next to each other, covering each other, and I'll just shoot a rocket right in the middle. And then we spray him to finish him. Is attempting to land at Airfield.
If I landed, that would be fucking cool.
No way, I hope this...
You are? You got
on
it?
your left. All the way across. Probably not worth bullets. I'll just go kill him. Oh wait, is he full gear? Yeah, he's full, he's full, he's full.
I see 2 people in the large building.
Yep, 2, 2, 2, let's go.
Just tap one. 3. Possibly 3.
Never mind.
Let's go, let's go.
I don't want to go close anymore.
I fucking do.
Nah, I'm by myself. You come.
I'm crossing over. Attack the weakest one with a bucket helmet.
I'm not going in that building, bro. It is literally AIDS.
Okay. I'll go through front.
Oh, I wonder if this shit's actually gonna land. All that fire around us now. Don't go through the fronts. At least stay together, you fag.
You look through the windows.
Yo, what is going on?
Yo, go in there and finish that guy.
Killed 1, killed 2, killed 3. Oh, dead.
Fuck yeah, bro!
Dude, I'm just a
There's a fucking quad.
Holy shit, 4? Wow! That was awesome. I got a satchel charge. A grenade.
So
That was crazy fun. It was so fun.
I mean, you down the naked and this guy. No, you down this guy and that guy. I killed that guy and that guy. When I say kill 3, I just finished him off. There's nothing important left on that body. Where are their guns? Do you have guns?
Yeah, I got a semi-pistol, Tommy, and a pump shotgun.
Alright, well, this fight isn't over yet, so don't fill up your inventory. Get rid of boots, clothes, anything like that.
I'm pick that shit up. I'm just picking up good shit.
Picking up resources. Alright, let's go, because we got AK fire over here now.
Yeah,
Oh, this
yeah.
fucking plane's coming.
Oh yeah.
Forgot about that. If it lands.
Where is it?
This thing lands. Yo, it's landing!
Oh fuck! That is awesome, bro.
Oh!
Yeah!
Look at all them!
Oh my god, let's go!
You know we're not the only people here.
Taylor, let's not get too excited.
No fucking way, bro.
Oh my god! Oh my fucking god! What the fuck?
Holy shit, I got an M9!
I have a fucking M2!
Excuse me?
Yeah.
Put that shit in your hotbar and stop looting, put it in your hotbar.
I have, I've loaded in everything. Fuck yeah, let's
Oh
go.
my god, I got another M9. Alright, crossbow go, revolver go. So I got a supply signal. MP5.
Yo, what the
whole
fuck?
server's about to be here, bro. The whole fucking server's about to be here.
What the fuck?
Alright, I looted that. Go on, next, go next, go next, go next. I want to get an LR. Like, people are like fighting on the outskirts, meanwhile you and me are looting all everything.
Jesus
M2!
Christ.
2 M2s! 2 M2s!
What the fuck? We're going to this end one, I don't know if you blew. No? Satchel? Semi pistol, face mask? Jesus Christ, I'm jumping,
Rocket.
Oh my fuck, dude.
I have 2
I didn't even know right now.
I have 2 M2s.
Yeah, I got fucking laser sight and a muzzle brake on mine, so...
Well, I have 2 M2s loaded, ready to go. That's all I'm gonna keep saying. I also have a rocket launcher on my hotbar.
Alright, fuck yeah, I've looted this.
I think we gotta go. No,
Yeah, we definitely need to
I
go.
think it's about time we TP home.
Yeah, maybe hold up in the tower and do it?
For the fun of it, yeah. I have fucking 2 M9s, man.
Bruh, what just happened?
Don't even say it in chat because then those god guys will just come right in.
Fucking god.
I kind of want to say it in chat. I kind of do. Can we say fuck it, right? Might as well say it in chat.
No, I was expecting like a normal airdrop like with 4 items in it or something, you know?
No, I was expecting more than 4 items, but I wasn't expecting. All right,
Like 15?
yeah. I wasn't expecting 4 rows of loot.